Yonetha is here. Kindly.
Eji campaign etongozibwe hambuga nkuru z'obukama bwa Tooro mulumukwa abo bari kujaguza ekiro kya International Condoms Day n'ekigendererwa ky'okulwanyisa akakooko ka siriimu kwegyesa abantu kukozesa obupiira obwe bari kwetantara endwara zitari zimwe na zimwe na munonga omu minyeeto. Abari kukwatwaho bari kugamba aha mukoro ogu bashoboreire aha bizibu ebirikureetwaho obutakozesa bupiira obwe bari kushaba eminyeeto babaase kufa amagara gaabo.
Kabarole district na Fort Portal City. Teenager pregnancy rundi ensingante zitwalenda zikyali haiguru muno. Zira haiguru muno hati nka Kabarole tulakucheka 20%. Ensinganto 20% nibatwalenda buli mwaka.
Yito nka Fort Portal tumanyirwe nka orubuga rw'oburambuzi kandi ekintu kindi kyogamba ngu tuine enamba y'abantu baingi abasobola kukwatwa abakwatwa oburwaire bwa siriimu kine ko kisa kutaribanizamu abantu abagondeze kujja kuno kutubungira nka Fort Portal City.
Requires responsibility. Loving yourself means protecting yourself. Making smart choices today protects your dreams of tomorrow. There is no shame in safeguarding your health. There is strength in responsibility.
Dr. Wilson Kazoba kurwa mu kitongole kya AFH Uganda Cares najangwa mu rurembo rwa Fort Portal rugumiza mu kweyonjera oburwaire bwa siriimu obuli abucweka 14 aharigana.
Manyi bulungi nnyo statistics z'eggwanga ezikwata ku bulwadde bwa mukennenya. Tukimanyi bulungi nnyo nti Fort Portal bwe twogera ku HIV prevalence eri ku bitundu 14 ku buli 100. Bwe twogera ku prevalence bakitegeeza nti bw'ofuna abantu 100 randomly mu kibuga ekyo abantu 14 ku bantu 10 kwabo bayina akawuka ka mukennenya.
Obukama bwa Tooro buhamiza okwehayo kwabo omu kushagika ehuriro y'okulwanyisa oburwaire bwa siriimu hamwe n'ezindi ndwara omu bantu baabo.
Tooro Kingdom stands united in promoting health, a statement that Tooro Kingdom values its young generation and a statement that we refuse to allow preventable infections to steal our future. As a kingdom, we remain committed to expanding youth-friendly health services, supporting community sensitization programs, strengthening partnership with key stakeholders like Uganda.
Ababe bari aha mukoro ogu bashabire government omukurabira mu kitongole ky'ebyamagara kukora nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe kibaasa kurwanyisa oburwaire bwa siriimu mu ihanga butakikiri 2030.
Youth's perception is not good at all. Abokuba hubo mbagamba mbenda to feel a different kind of way, and they say with the condom they don't feel that way. So we need so much sensitization kuboleka tuti kunulirwa nonulirwe kiro kimu, but when you get a sickness you suffer for a lifetime.
Ekikorwa ky'okugabira abantu obupiira nikizagumizamu omu rubuga rwa Fort Portal. Amakuru agashakwa Justin Nyakisiki omu Fort Portal.